In this video, I will show you how to cancel order on Publix app in an Android phone. First of all, go to Play Store, make sure you have downloaded the app, and if not, what you can do is simply go to Chrome or any web browser. There, search for Publix website, then click on it. After that, at the top you will see menu, simply click on it. From here, make sure you sign up or log into your account. After that, this will be your home page. And click on the menu on the top of the screen again. And once you've logged in, you will find orders here. Simply tap on it, then your order page will open. After that, there you can find the cancel order button, but that button will be available only up to a certain time frame. And if the button is not available anymore and you still wish to cancel, what you can do is simply try to scroll till the end. There you will find contact us, click on it. Scroll down below. Here you will find their phone number, simply click on it, you can call them and you can ask for any help in cancellation. Or in case if you have chosen in-store pickup for your orders, you can simply just call them from contact us and try to cancel your order. If you think this video is helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.